I think another really strong use case too is writing effective copy and helping you build your copy for web pages, for your landing pages. And then you have somebody who's skilled at putting that all together as far as your actual final web page, of course. But the content, the copy can be real helpful by leveraging ChatGPT. If you've ever tried to put together your own web page, you might outline it on paper and you're trying to get all these ideas and things, where this can help get you started in a real quick manner. Let's take a look at two examples. One is a product sale and one is more of a service type sell as far as your web page. So let's say I know somebody, they make cutting boards, you cut meat and stuff, but they're fancy cutting boards where they're in the shape of things, right? So let's say I want to create a web page copy for where we sell cutting boards. All right, and each is handcrafted. For some key parts to it, each is handcrafted. Various shapes, like animals and birds. Birds are an animal, but let's see what it says. And you might have other things in there too, as far as just put in there high quality. And I put in there that each is handcrafted. Yep, okay. So let's fix up quality here. Okay, so let's see what that comes back with. So this is the content for our web page. And so here it is. Welcome to our online store for handcrafted cutting boards. If we had the name, if I would have put the name in there, then they'd be using the name. At our store, they'd say at whatever, Steve's Cutting Boards, or whatever. And would talk about, the highest quality materials and all that. So I might want to put in there, what are the materials, where I would be adding that in as a unique human being and building off that. But here you can see, take a look at our selection. So I'd be putting in the selection and all this. So it's practical, but it also has beautiful decorative pieces in any kitchen. Right? So, it's a nice a conversation starter, all that stuff. So it's a nice way to kind of get you started as you start building out, and you can go deeper than that as a web page. Let's say we have a coaching or service type business. It could be anything. Think of your own stuff, of course, but maybe like, create, web page copy for a professional life coach. Cover all areas, whatever that is. I'm not a professional life coach, so whatever all areas there, but maybe they'll also expand it. And it says, welcome to our professional life coaching services. You put in your company's name. Are you feeling stuck in your personal or professional life? Then you need a coach. Or, we have a team. Maybe it's not a team, it's just you, so you'd want to certainly edit that out where it says we have a team of experienced and compassionate life coaches. Just say, I am an experienced and compassionate life coach, right? So you're using this to help generate ideas and generate stuff. And again, you can always regenerate ideas or build on things, or, maybe you want to say list common coaching services, and start generating a list of common things, and then you can pull out of that the services that you offer or build on that, right? So maybe you do career coaching, maybe you do the life coaching and the different things in there with relationships. Maybe you're an executive coach. This is like higher level summary, but then I might dig in deeper about that you specialize, let's say, as a life coach in relationships, health and wellness, personal growth, and work-life balance. Maybe that's what you do versus these other types of coaches, or like a spiritual coach or whatever. So there's an idea of how you get started, and you're now building out some nice copy with a web page that you can then now fine-tune and make better for yourself. So again, so much faster than especially for folks who are not marketers or copywriters by profession. This can be a way to help get you a really good jump start by leveraging the artificial intelligence, and then you make it your own in your own unique way.